If the battery on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max is stuck at 80 to 95% while charging, then you can go to settings. Over here, open battery settings, and then you want to go to charging. And over here, we can change the charge limit, which usually is the reason why the battery is stuck at 80, 85, 90, or 95%. Over here, you can increase it all the way to 100% if you want to, and then you can allow this to be changed until tomorrow, so then the next day it switches back to the previous limit, or you can just choose set limit to 100% so it doesn't change back. But even if you have this charge limit set to 100%, there is a chance that the battery will be stuck at 80%, which is caused by this option over here, optimized battery charging. So if you do have optimized battery charging enabled, then over here we can read that when the charge limit is set to 100%, you can allow iPhone to wait to finish charging past 80% until the time you need to use it. This is pretty much learning, so after some time it might figure out when to start charging back to 100%, but at first there might be some issues with this feature, and for example the iPhone might be just stuck at 80% for the most of the time while charging. So you can disable it for now, but it is still recommended to use this option. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.